If you want to get a cheap ChatGPT Plus subscription, the smartest approach is not just looking for the lowest price, but using a strategy that helps you pay only when you actually need it. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step method to save money, avoid unnecessary monthly charges, and still get the most out of ChatGPT. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more practical AI tutorials just like this one. Let's start with the first step. Use the free plan first. Open ChatGPT and take a close look at what the free version already offers. A lot of people skip this part, but the free plan can still be very useful for writing help, brainstorming, summaries, ideas, and basic productivity tasks. The free plan does have limits, but it's a great way to test whether you actually need the paid version. In many cases, people think they need a subscription right away, when in reality, the free version already covers a lot of their daily tasks. So before paying for anything, spend some time using the free plan and see how far it gets you. Now move on to step 2, subscribe only when needed. This is one of the best money-saving tricks if you want a cheap ChatGPT Plus subscription. Instead of paying every single month all year long, upgrade only for 1 month when you have a heavy workload. For example, if you're working on a big project, doing research, creating content, or need faster access and better tools for a short period, that can be the perfect time to subscribe. Use that 1 month to finish everything you need, then cancel before the next billing cycle starts. This way, you get the benefits of the paid plan without turning it into a long-term expense. For a lot of users, this approach is much more cost-effective than keeping the subscription active all the time. The third step is to check for trials or promotions. Sometimes official offers, limited time credits, or special access periods may be available. These promotions can change over time, so it's important to watch official announcements and stay updated through OpenAI's official channels. If a free trial or bonus credit appears, that can be a great opportunity to test the premium features before paying. Just remember to verify that the offer is legitimate and comes from the official source. Avoid random third-party websites claiming to sell ultra-cheap access, because those offers can be risky, unreliable, or even violate the platform's terms. The fourth step is to use free alternatives if you don't want to pay right now. If your goal is simply to get AI help without a subscription, there are other good options available. Microsoft Copilot is a strong free alternative for many everyday tasks, and Google Gemini is another useful option worth checking out. These tools may not be identical to ChatGPT Plus, but they can still help with writing, ideas, answering questions, and general productivity. If budget is your main concern, having a backup option is a smart move. That way, you can keep working without feeling forced into a monthly payment. So, to recap, the best way to get a cheap ChatGPT Plus subscription is to use the free plan first. Upgrade only when you need it, cancel when you're done, watch for official promotions, and keep free alternatives ready as a backup. That combination can save you a lot of money while still giving you access to AI tools when they matter most. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials, smart AI tips, and money-saving tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.